Hello everyone, welcome back to Agri Farming. Today we are back with how to grow banana in your backyard. Banana is one of the major and economically important fruit crops of India. Banana occupy 20% of the area among the total undercrop of India. Most of banana is grown by planting suckers. The technology development in agriculture is very fast. It results in developing a tissue culture technique. The tissue culture banana is very tasty. Now, let's get into the agroclimatic conditions for banana plantation. Banana, basically a tropical crop, grows well in a temperature range of 15 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius with a relative humidity of 75 to 85%. Rainfall is most important for vigorous vegetative growth of banana. At high altitudes, banana cultivation is restricted to a few varieties like hill banana. Suitable soil type for banana plantation. Deep, rich loamy soil with pH between 6.5 to 7.5 is most preferred for banana farming. Soil for banana should have good drainage, adequate fertility and moisture. Saline solid, calcareous soils are not suitable for banana cultivation. A soil which is neither too acidic nor too alkaline, rich in organic material with high nitrogen content, adequate phosphorus level and plenty of potash is good for banana. Now, let's get into the banana varieties. In India, bananas are grown under diverse conditions and production systems. In your banana farming, selection of varieties, therefore, is based on a large number of varieties catering to various kinds of needs and situations. However, around 20 cultivars, namely dwarf, Cavendish, Robusta, Mothan, Puvan, Nandran, red banana, etc., is gaining popularity and may soon be the most preferred variety due to its tolerance to biotic stresses and good quality bunches. Land preparation for banana planting. During soil preparation, a basal dose of farmyard manure is added and thoroughly mixed into the soil. A pit size of 45 cm by 45 cm by 45 cm is normally required. The pit are to be refilled with topsoil mixed with farmyard manure and neem cake. Prepared pits are left to solar radiation helps in killing the harmful insects and is effective against soil-borne diseases and aids aeration. In saline alkali soil, where pH is above 8, pit mixtures is to be modified to incorporate organic matter. Addition of organic matter helps in reducing salinity while the addition of perlite improves porosity and aeration. An alternative to planting in pits is planting in furrows. Depending on soil strata, one can choose an appropriate method as well as spacing and depth as which plant is required to be planted. How to propagate banana crop in your backyard. About 70% of farmers are using suckers as planting material while the rest 30% of the farmers are using tissue culture seedlings. Sword suckers with well-developed rhizome, conical and spherical in shape, having activity growing conical bud and weighing approximately 450 to 700 gram are commonly used as propagating material. In banana farming, suckers generally may be infected with some pathogens and nematodes. Similarly, due to the variation in age and size of the sucker, the crop is not uniform. Harvesting is prolonged and management becomes difficult. Therefore, in vitro clonal propagation, that is tissue culture plants, are recommended for planting. They are healthy, disease-free, uniform in growth and early yielding. The best planting season of banana is throughout the year except when the temperature is too low or too high. You can either plant during the month of June and July or during the month of October and November. Planting methods for banana in your backyard. Pit planting is commonly followed in the garden system. A pit size of 0.5 by 0.5 by 0.5 meter is normally required. Small pits are dug in case of ridges and furrows. The pits are to be refilled with topsoil mix with 10 kg of farmyard manure and 250 gram of neem cake. Prepared pits are left open for 15 to 20 days for solar radiation to kill the insects, soil-borne diseases, and for aeration, therefore refilling. The suckers are planted in the center of the pit and soil around is compacted. Plants are planted in the pits keeping pseudostem 2 cm below the ground level. The soil around the plant is gently pressed. Deep planting should be avoided. The planting area should be irrigated immediately after planting. Furrow planting is practiced in annual planting system in states of Gujarat, Maharashtra, and trench planting is practiced in wetland cultivation in Kaveri Delta region of Tamil Nadu. Irrigation in banana plantation in your backyard. Banana, a water-loving plant, requires a large quantity of water for maximum productivity, but banana roots are the poor withdrawal of water. Therefore, you should provide water to your banana plant every day. Application of drip irrigation and mulching technology has reported improved water use efficiency. Irrigate your plants immediately after planting. Apply sufficient water and maintain field capacity. Excess irrigation will lead to root zone congestion due to the removal of air from soil pores, thereby affecting plant establishment and growth, and hence, drip irrigation method is must for proper water management in banana. Let's get into the application of manure and fertilizers in banana plants. Banana require a high amount of nutrients, which are often supplied only in part by the soil. You should provide 20 kg of farmyard manure, 200 gram of nitrogen, 60 to 70 gram of phosphorus, and 300 gram of potassium per plant. Agricultural operations in banana crop. The root system of banana is superficial and easily damaged by cultivation, use of intercrop which is not desirable. However, short durational crops like 45 to 60 days like mung, cowpea, dhencha are to be considered as green manuring crops. Crops from cucurbitaceous family should be avoided as they carry viruses. Banana harvesting procedure. Banana should be harvested at the psychological maturity stage for better post-harvest quality. The fruit is climacteric and can reach the consumption stage after ripening operations. Maturity indices. These are established on the basis of fruit shape, angularity, grade, or diameter of the median figure of the second hand, starch content, and number of days that have elapsed after flowering. Market preference can also affect the decision for harvesting a slight or fully mature fruit. The second is removal of the bunch. The bunch should be harvested when figures of second hand from the top are 3 by 4 rounded with the help of sharp sickle 30 cm above the first hand. Harvest may be delayed up to 100 to 110 days after the opening of the first hand. The harvested bunch should generally be collected in a well-padded tray or basket and brought into the collection site. Bunch should be kept out of light after harvest since this hastens to ripen and soften. For local consumption, hands are often left and stalks and sold to retailers. For export, hands are cut into units and 4 to 6 fingers graded for both length and girth and carefully placed in poly-lined boxes to hold different weights depending on export requirements. The planted crop gets ready for harvest within 11 to 12 months of planting. First ratoon crop would be ready by 8 to 10 months from the harvesting of the main crop, and second ratoon by 8 to 9 months after the second crop. Thus, over a period of 28 to 30 months, it is possible to harvest 3 crops, that is, 1 main crop and 2 ratoon crops. After you harvest your banana, cut your tree back to about 30 inches and let the stem dry out for 2 weeks before removing it. Post-harvest management of banana at home. If you pick them before they are fully ripened on tree, you can easily ripen them quickly in your home by storing them in a proper bag. You can either microwave the banana or you can keep it in a warm place. When banana are ripe enough to be picked off the tree and when they are ripe enough to be eaten are two completely different things. One of the most common questions of planting banana tree is that does a banana tree die after bearing fruit? The simple answer is yes. Banana trees do die after harvest. Banana plants take around 9 months to grow up and produce banana tree fruit. And then once the banana have been harvested, the plant dies. Per the uses of banana tree, you can use the banana leaves as a plate. It has been used in many traditional cultural areas. And you can also eat the stem, it is a very good in taste. That's all folks for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe to this channel and please ring the bell button to notify you whenever new video is uploaded. Thank you for watching.